Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bowers and Wilkins Px8 McLaren edition headphones, and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename them in your app. Let's get started. First you have to open our app and go into settings. Now we have to open our headphones and wait a moment. And as you can see, we are not connected. We have to scroll all the way down until we see rename product. We have to click on it and we can rename as we want our headphones. You just have to click done. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.